You have teachers in your program right now that are struggling and in need of tremendous support. Breakfast time is not always rainbows and butterflies. Sometimes breakfast time, pure chaos. How about providing your kitchen staff some wonderful help when they need a hand? And if you have a 5-star director in your program, I promise you they're also in need of support. Maybe it's time you find your superstar in your program.
Superstar.
How can you figure out how to put a new position in your early childhood program to support your teachers, your children, and your families, and your entire program, and be able to afford that extra salary? I'm going to talk to you about how we are going to be able to sustain and pay for this position in the years to come. So stick around. We've documented our entire experience with this new position, and we're sharing it with you in this free course. We created a new position within Discovery Kids, which is our early childhood education support professional. We want to create a position that will support our teachers, support our children, support families, and impact the community. We recognize that need for more intense support.
It's been great to really step into this new role to aid our families, our staff, our children. I've got to dip my feet into a coaching training, which really focused a lot on building relationships, and that's what we're doing here. Trying to help coach and assist our teachers with, those big behavioral issues with our kiddos.
Supporting our teachers and resources for them are solutions, ideas, reaching into your bag of tricks, things you brought and things you're learning.
Encouraging those extra educational hours, those extra educational classes to amplify the success of our teachers when dealing with, children and those behaviors.
I think it's been really great to kind of give myself also more opportunity to grow as a teacher, a leader, and just a person in general. People know me. I don't just go in expecting, respect or things from everybody. I do try and earn that, and I think that has helped me, transition to this because I give respect and I'm also able, to earn it.
One of the reasons you've been successful in it is because you were successful before it. We felt confidence in your ability to communicate. I want to talk to you and others about our ECE support professional. So Miss Shale, we put her in this position a year ago, and I want to get some feedback.
And she is involved in each and every classroom, which makes her role crucial, and she has the knowledge that each and every classroom would need. It's always hard when you're struggling with behaviors in a classroom setting, and it's especially hard when you've ran out of ideas, when you've tried the sticker charts and the motivation, the positive reinforcement, talking with moms, setting up parent meetings, and you ran out of ideas. It's great to have somebody come in and give you ideas that you haven't thought about before.
This can be some of the scariest types of meetings ever. Yes. I've had some parents that come in really
upset,
ready with guns blazing.
Ready to go.
It's amazing what we can do to melt them. You don't want to get your program to that point where your teachers are going home crying. If our teachers are starting to burn out because they don't have the support, the tools, the partnerships to be able to support a child's challenging behavior, then we're letting our teachers down. Whether you are that support professional for your program, or you're an aide or a lead teacher, at what point do you need to try to get to the second, third, or fourth layer of communication and understanding?
Parenting and teaching is a learning curve for everybody for the rest of your life. We're not going to have all the answers, but if we can at least partner together, we want to make sure everybody is accountable, everybody's on the same page, and that just helps the child in the long run. And that's why we're doing this. The end game, the goal of all of this is to help little Omar, other little Omars in the future, so that way they aren't stuck, and we have the tools to help them be successful and move on to that next chapter of their life.
I hope you see how valuable this individual, this role has been to our program. If you're a director or an owner, you have that challenge. Make this position a multitasking position with admin, support, subbing, all of these things. Put it into one so that you have someone focused on supporting your classrooms. All right, have a great day.